Headlights have arrived. Oh, they look good. Time to put these bad boys in. There we go. Need one of these. You don't need the one with the hole in the center, but this type of bit to undo these little surround bits. Screw there, screw down there, screw down there. Alright, so the new 3-pin connector just goes straight into the original TJ Wrangler headlight plug. And then there's 2 wires that were at the bottom of the original headlight. One of them is a low beam, so you connect it to the daytime running light, which is the red wire coming from the new harness. So it goes red wire into red wire, or blue actually. It's like a dark blue. I'm pretty sure it's the same on the other side. Yeah, it's like a dark blue wire. That's your daytime running light. So you want to connect that to the red wire on the new harness. The green wire coming from the new harness is actually for your blinker. If you want to connect it into your existing blinker loom, your positive wire from the blinker, then you can do that. Now I've already got, what, two blinkers on either side at the moment, so I'm not actually going to connect that up. I might at a later date, but if you want to, that is your blinker on your headlight. There's the daytime running lights. Some normal headlights. And there we have the high beam. Alright, so we have running lights, headlights, and high beam. New LED headlights are installed. Now I've left the bezel chrome because my next modification is the Angry Bird grille, which actually will completely cover the bezels anyway, so there's no point me painting them black. Thanks guys, hope you enjoyed the video. See ya.